Today we're going to learn how to find the owner's manual and some of the information included in the PCM and also in the My Porsche app. We're going to start by scrolling down one screen, and you'll notice this icon that says Instructions. Select it. You'll have last viewed and favorites if it's something you would like to return to, but the best place to kind of search this is either at the top of the search bar or chapter overview. We're going to do both. Let's select the search bar, and let's select something we would like to look for. Sport. There we go. In drive mode, and here you can see a wide variety of information on this. You also have the possibility to favorite this here as well. Let's go back. Another place where you can dive into the owner's manual a little bit deeper is in chapter overview. This gives you a category view, so to say, how to get into each of these features or functions in your new Panamera. As you can see, there are a wide variety of different options for you to choose from. You can also select videos as well if you would like to see a video about a particular feature or function in your new Panamera. Select videos. We'll select driving, and we'll select drive mode. Configure drive modes. And here you can see the video. You can also use the My Porsche app on your mobile device to dive into the owner's manual for your new Panamera. Select the My Porsche app. Select Vehicle Details right under the picture of your car. And as you can see on the right-hand side of the screen here, we have Owner's Manual. I would suggest to download that for your particular vehicle. Select Download, Download Owner's Manual. In this case, for this Panamera, it's 119 megabytes. Here you can see a very similar menu structure as to what we had in the PCM. Select Chapter Overview. Here you can search at the top any feature or function that you're looking to find more information about on your My Porsche app. As you can see here, we have the same article we were looking at in the PCM about sport mode and sport response, available to you on your mobile device. You now have at your fingertips a wide variety of information, whether it's the PCM or your My Porsche app in regards to the owner's manual in your new Panamera.